Hey you all, welcome back to the channel. I'm thrilled to share the newest mothership by Pat McGrath. This is Mothership XII, Petal Morphosis. I'm in love with this packaging. It's absolutely stunning and the shades are absolutely beautiful. If you're looking for swatches, please check out the short that I posted not too long ago showing swatches of all the shades. I'm going to be sharing an eye look with you tonight. And just look at this packaging. Okay, we're opening it. We see the mothership there. The unit carton is in A1 condition. The palette is pristine. Here we go, starting with Sonia G's T5, going into the shade Twilight Lilac. It is a beautiful, beautiful shade. You're gonna see that I'm going ahead and tapping it on the lid because tapping motions intensify the shade. So I'm just tapping it over this lid. How pretty is this shade? It's absolutely stunning, and you guys know purple is my favorite color. Taking that same brush, I just blended it into the crease just a touch. Now we're going back and making it more intense. I could have used the Intensify wand, but I could not find it. So hence we keep building the shade up. Now, what I love about it is that it is a buildable shade, and I love Pat McGrath shadows because they are definitely inclusive. I've never seen a shade that did not show up. Here we go, adding some more color. Now we're taking the shimmer. This shade is called Cosmic Fantasies, and we're gonna go ahead and tap that over the lid. When you use your finger to apply the shimmers, it picks up more of the product and it intensifies it. So just look at that blend, you guys. It feels like silk and the color is absolutely stunning. So we're gonna go ahead and apply the shimmer to the lids. And as we do that, you can see that I'm just blending that out. And I really just cannot believe the way it looks. Now taking that same shade and applying it to the opposite lid. Now you guys know I love color, so now we're taking Radiant Rhapsody along the lower lash line, and to do so, we're using Pencil S. That's the small pencil brush from Sonia G. Look at that color. I mean, it's absolutely gorgeous. Let's take a look at what it does. Now I'm taking Sonia G's Builder M, and I'm going into the shade Nocturnal Bloom here. I want to run this under the lower lash line just to give some more emphasis to that previous shade, and I think it did an amazing job. Let's take a look. Now taking Sonia G's Mini Booster right back into that same shade Nocturnal Bloom to give the outer corners of both eyes some extra dimension. Now going into Divine Dawn, which I assumed was the Skin Show shade in this palette. I'm going to be using this for the inner corner highlight, and you'll see it again later on. All right, now it's time to finish this off with some mascara. We're going to be using the Chanel La Base mascara as well as the Inimitable mascara, which happens to be my favorite mascara from Chanel. Now, I don't know how many of you have done this, but there's another way you can use these motherships. And I'm taking my Chikuhodo CH1 collab with Fude Bobo right back into that first shade that I used on my eyelids. And we are going to use it, you'll never guess as what, as some blush. Look at this pickup, you guys. This is a beautiful shadow now being used as blush. Come on, Pat. That's what I said. I absolutely love this shade. And remember, these are eyeshadows, but they are buildable, which means I can build this up. I'm going right onto the other cheek as well. Absolutely beautiful. If you guys have not tried using your mattes as blushes in these motherships, don't hesitate. Please give it a try. Mother. If anyone's wondering why I'm laughing, my girl Lori said mother in my muster voice during the live chat of this live stream. Now we're taking Divine Dawn onto Sonia G's Worker L, and we're going to apply that to the face as a highlighter on both cheeks. You guys, it is absolutely stunning, and I'm so glad that I tried it. All right, let's give these brows a good brush through. And this is the final look. I thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to hit that like button, comment, and subscribe. And everything that I used on this look has been linked for you down below in the description box. Have a great one. Thanks again for joining me. I really appreciate your presence. Bye.